Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the latest developments in YouTube's monetization requirements and the exciting opportunities they bring for creators. In this video, we will dive into the recent changes implemented by YouTube, providing you with valuable insights on how to unlock monetization faster and explore the potential benefits and limitations of these new requirements. First, the era of lower monetization requirements. As the digital landscape evolves, YouTube continues to adapt and refine its policies to meet the needs of its vast creator community. It is with great pleasure that we announce the dawn of a new era for aspiring YouTube creators. Effective immediately, YouTube has significantly lowered the barriers to entry for its esteemed YouTube Partner Program, YPP. In the past, achieving YPP eligibility required a substantial following and watch time. However, YouTube has now made it more accessible for creators to monetize their channels at an earlier stage. This groundbreaking move is poised to revolutionize the way emerging creators can earn revenue from their content, fostering a vibrant and diverse YouTube ecosystem. Second, the new monetization requirements. Let's dive into the specifics of the revised monetization requirements. As of today, you will need to meet the following criteria to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. 500 subscribers. Instead of the previous threshold of 1,000 subscribers, you now only need to amass a modest but engaged community of 500 subscribers. This reduction opens up opportunities for creators in the early stages of their YouTube journey to monetize their content swiftly. Free public uploads. Over the past 90 days, ensure that you have regularly shared your remarkable content with the world, embracing YouTube's ethos of open accessibility. 3,000 watch hours or 3 million YouTube Shorts views, demonstrating the level of engagement and interest your content generates. YouTube now requires a minimum of 3,000 watch hours within the past year or an impressive 3 million views on YouTube Shorts within 90 days. Third, celebrating new milestones. These revised requirements represent a staggering 50% reduction in the subscriber threshold, 25% fewer watch hours, or an astonishing 70% decrease in YouTube Shorts views compared to the previous criteria. It's undoubtedly a cause for celebration, as YouTube creators can now embark on their monetization journey with greater ease and efficiency. Moreover, the advantages of reaching these milestones extend beyond mere eligibility. Once you unlock monetization, you gain access to an array of powerful features that can elevate your channel and foster deeper connections with your audience. Celebrating new milestones. These revised requirements represent a staggering 50% reduction in the subscriber threshold, 25% fewer watch hours, or an astonishing 70% decrease in YouTube Shorts views compared to the previous criteria. It's undoubtedly a cause for celebration, as YouTube creators can now embark on their monetization journey with greater ease and efficiency. Moreover, the advantages of reaching these milestones extend beyond mere eligibility. Once you unlock monetization, you gain access to an array of powerful features that can elevate your channel and foster deeper connections with your audience. Super chats, super stickers, super thanks, and channel memberships. Imagine having the ability to engage with your audience on a more personal level while monetizing your content. With the new monetization requirements, you unlock a range of exciting features right from the start. Super chats, super stickers, and super thanks enable your viewers to show their support during live streams and pre-recorded videos through monetary contributions, allowing you to establish a direct and meaningful connection with your fans. Additionally, channel memberships empower you to offer exclusive perks and content to your most dedicated followers. This feature promotes a sense of community and loyalty, creating a sustainable revenue stream while fostering a closer bond between creators and their audience. Embracing the power of YouTube shopping. Beyond the realm of content monetization, YouTube now provides an avenue for creators to expand their revenue streams even further through YouTube shopping. As a creator, you can showcase and sell your own products directly to your audience, leveraging YouTube's extensive reach and influence. This exciting opportunity enables you to transform your passion into a thriving business, creating a comprehensive ecosystem that benefits both you and your viewers. Considerations and the path ahead. While these changes undoubtedly mark a significant milestone in YouTube's commitment to supporting creators, it is important to consider the implications for small creators in the early stages of their journey. The monetization features unlocked through these new requirements are predominantly centered around cultivating a dedicated community over time. This necessitates a proactive effort to engage with your audience and build a solid foundation of loyal supporters. Larger channels, equipped with substantial followings and a team of professionals, have the potential to leverage these features to their advantage effectively. However, for small creators who primarily wish to focus on creating exceptional content and generating revenue from ad views, it is essential to manage expectations and recognize the effort required to harness the full potential of the new monetization opportunities. The road ahead: global rollout and shopping affiliate program. As YouTube launches these revised monetization requirements, the initial phase will roll out in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Taiwan, and South Korea, with plans to expand to other countries in the near future. YouTube's commitment to inclusivity and global reach ensures that creators worldwide will soon benefit from these exciting changes. Furthermore, YouTube is introducing a new 20,000 subscriber tier for the shopping affiliate program, offering creators yet another avenue to explore in their monetization journey. This innovative addition presents unique possibilities for creators to collaborate with brands, promoting products aligned with their niche and passions. Final thoughts and your opinion. As we conclude this overview of YouTube's new monetization requirements and opportunities, we encourage you to share your thoughts on this monumental shift in the comments below. Do you believe these updated requirements strike a fair balance, allowing creators to monetize their channels more swiftly while still nurturing their communities? We value your insights and opinions as we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of digital content creation. In the coming days and weeks, we will delve deeper into these topics on the Vidic channel, providing you with expert guidance and strategies to navigate the evolving YouTube landscape successfully. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed and equipped with the latest insights. Together, let us embrace the future of YouTube monetization, unlocking new possibilities and empowering creators to share their unique voices with the world.